Think of AI as a powerful assistant, helping engineers be more productive and efficient. It's not about replacing humans, but about augmenting our capabilities to achieve more than ever before. AI is already making waves in engineering. In construction, AI-powered robots are used for tasks like bricklaying and welding. These robots work faster and with greater precision than humans. This speeds up construction projects. In manufacturing, AI systems are used for quality control. They can detect defects in products that humans might miss. This ensures high-quality products and reduces waste. Section 4. Will AI take our jobs? The rise of AI has sparked concerns about job displacement. It's true that AI can automate some tasks currently done by engineers. However, AI is also creating new opportunities. The future of work will likely involve humans and AI working together. Engineers will need to adapt and learn new skills. This includes understanding how to work with AI systems. Section 5. The future of engineering, a balancing act. AI has the potential to revolutionize engineering. It can automate repetitive tasks, allowing engineers to focus on more creative and complex aspects of their projects. This shift not only increases productivity, but also opens up new possibilities for innovation. It can make engineers more efficient, solve complex problems, and provide insights that were previously unimaginable. By leveraging AI, engineers can tackle challenges that were once considered insurmountable, pushing the boundaries of what is possible, and even create new industries. The integration of AI into engineering is not just about improving existing processes. It's about pioneering entirely new fields and opportunities that can transform our world. However, it's important to address the challenges. With great power comes great responsibility, and the rise of AI in engineering brings with it significant ethical considerations. We need to ensure AI is used ethically and responsibly. This means developing guidelines and standards that prioritize safety, fairness, and transparency in AI applications. Education and training are crucial. Engineers must be equipped with the knowledge and skills to navigate the complexities of AI technology. Continuous learning and professional development will be key to staying ahead in this rapidly evolving field. We need to equip the next generation of engineers with the skills to thrive in an AI-driven world. This involves not only technical training, but also fostering a mindset of ethical responsibility and innovative thinking. The future of engineering is bright, filled with endless possibilities and opportunities for those who are prepared to embrace change. But it requires a balance of embracing AI and nurturing human ingenuity. By combining the strengths of AI with the unique capabilities of human creativity, we can achieve remarkable advancements and build a better future for all.